This is Ian Lamont. I'm the author of Dropbox in 30 Minutes. I'm going to show you how to quickly recover a deleted file in Dropbox using the Dropbox.com website. Let's get started. So we are on Dropbox.com. Make sure that you're logged in. And then where it says Home, to the right of it, you'll see All Files. What you want to do is go to Deleted Files. And what it's going to do, it's going to show you some of the deleted files. Now, one thing you need to understand, for a Dropbox account, including most business accounts and all free accounts, you can restore any file deleted in the last 30 days. I do not have this option to extend that, so I'm just going to get rid of that. And you can see that I'm having all of these files that have actually been deleted. Unfortunately, this is only for 1 day. So in order to set it up for the last 30 days, I'd have to set the from date to a month ago. So what would that be? The 13th of July. And then it's going to show me everything. Now, this is too many files to go through. So what I might need to do is to start to basically winnow things down. So for instance, on device, it says all devices. What I can do is I can just select photos that have been deleted from the Mac. And you can see that the list has gotten smaller, and also you can specify the folder as well. So basically that's how to recover a file that you've deleted. So let's say that I wanted to recover this particular photo, medieval lady, it looks like it's an image. I would just select it and then restore, and then basically that file would be restored to the folder that it was originally in. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.